Hello everyone. Today I am going to take a couple simple ingredients and I am going to make some delicious strawberry and blueberry jam. So come on over to the stove and I'll show you how. All right, you guys, let's make some jam. So in this pot, I'm going to add the strawberries. And as you can see, I took the stems off of them. And then the ones that were a bigger size, I kind of cut them so that they could be similar in size to the rest of them. I'm going to add some water. And to the other pot, I'm going to add my blueberries, which have been rinsed. And add water to this as well. And to each one, I am going to add some of the sweetener. And give it a stir. Now, as these continue to cook, they will release their natural juices. And at any point, if you feel like you need to add a little bit more water, do exactly that. Now each one of these has come to a boil. I'm going to turn it down just a little and give this time for, again, all of the natural juices from this fruit to release itself and also for the fruit to soften. All right, everyone, as you can see, the blueberry is coming along quite well, and that's because it's a smaller fruit. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste to see if it needs any more sweetener. That is so delicious, you guys. Maybe just a little bit more because I will be adding a little bit of lemon juice. A little bit more sweetener. And another thing, if you feel like this needs to be a little bit more or a little bit thicker, then what you need to do is to add a little bit of xanthan gum to it, and that will thicken this up quickly. But I have a feeling that this is not going to need any of that at all. Okay, these strawberries are softening up. Look at that. Yes. And releasing their natural sugar, so that's why we're getting this syrupy consistency. Yeah, it's good. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to turn it off the heat and let it cool. And if at that point, if I feel like it needs a little bit more thickener, being the xanthan gum, I will add at that point. But I have a feeling that as this cools, it will continue to gel to the consistency that I want. Now for the strawberry, I'm going to add some lemon juice to it. And continue to let this cook because these strawberries are almost there but not quite. And help them along if you need to by smashing them. All right, everyone, the strawberry is looking good. So it is also ready to take off a burner. And we're going to let this cool, just like we did the blueberry, and then we will be able to tell at that point whether or not we need to add any of the thickener. But I think we should be okay. All right, everyone, and here we have it. We've got a delicious keto-friendly blueberry jam, and we've got a strawberry jam. And they are ready to put on a cracker that I have right here in front of us. We can either eat it plain like this. And by the way, these crackers are keto friendly as well. And if you've not yet seen that particular video, I'll leave it in the link above. You can put a little peanut butter on it. You can put a little cream cheese on it. And there you have it. Absolutely delicious. So you guys, please do remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And please do press that subscribe button below. We'd love to have you guys along for my keto journey. And remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And remember, it is a great day, and you make it your own kind of special. I'll see you guys real soon.